I've never seen such rubbish. Out!
No.
What?
Nothing, Dad. Just
Happy birthday, Papa.
happy birthday, Dad.
Wallet.
Smart Wallet. Voyager Smart Wallet. Let me show you. No more lost pens, Dad. And a small booklet if you need to note something down. Dad, where's your phone? No worries, Dad.
And Papa, if you leave the wallet behind, or if someone takes it from you,
You'll get a notification on your phone. Sorry, Dad. I took your phone and synced it to the wallet.
Synced.
It's a smart wallet.
and the best part is, hey, come closer. You can even take a selfie with it.
The world's most functional smart wallet, Cure Ally.
Paying with your mobile phone sucks, because your phone rings just about when you're ready to pay. Because your phone should be well taken care of. Because you know, your phone dies on you. So in the end, you can never get rid of your wallet. This is Spend Wallet, and this can totally replace your wallet.
Wow.
We are tired of the inconvenient truth of our outdated wallet, and we're sick of phones pretending to replace our wallet. So, we replace your wallet in a smart way. Introducing Spend. Those who believe that the technology can change the world better are here at Spend Team, developing the product that they want to use.
The wallet is an essential tool that each of us uses every day. We wanted a wallet that could keep up with our busy lives and enhance them instead of hinder them. That's why we created the Elemental Wallet. Here's the story of the Elemental Wallet. It all started when a friend gifted me a minimalist wallet, which all but fell apart 6 months later. I was frustrated. I wanted a minimalist wallet that was built to last, more functional, and more aesthetically pleasing. That's why I created my own. The first wallet was stainless steel. It was heavy, had sharp edges, and the O-rings had a tendency to pop off. This improved the functionality somewhat, but the aesthetics were still terrible. The next wallet was CNC machined out of aluminum, and the aesthetics were greatly improved. The functionality was also improved, except this wallet had to have at least 3 cards to function, and it was very expensive to manufacture. Finally, for the Elemental Wallet, we chose solid carbon fiber. This material isn't cheap, but we have experience machining it and know how to do it cost effectively. It can hold 1 to 25 cards, which slide in easily. Accommodates additional cash, cards, or keys, and has a built-in bottle opener. Solid carbon fiber, thick enough to protect your cards, light enough to carry anywhere. Kickstarter. We love our wallets, and we know you will too. But to make them affordable, we need your support. Take a look at our pledges, and don't forget to share us with your friends and family. Thank you. Our wallets are hot right now.
Introducing the GoQi Continental, the first completely wireless charging travel wallet, which will not only keep you organized, but also your phone and tech gadgets charged up all day. Join the GoQi revolution. We all know the situation when our batteries are running low. It always happens at the wrong time. We thought there must be a more sophisticated and elegant solution than bringing power banks, cables, and adapters, so we came up with the GoQi Continental, a wireless charging travel wallet which allows you to charge your phone wirelessly. We understand that not everyone or everywhere has wireless charging phones or charging plates, so we built in a regular USB charging cable to charge your wallet and also a micro USB cable to charge your cell phone and other wireless gadgets. GoQi Tech is based around Qi wireless charging specifications and is currently compatible with other Qi-compatible products and accessories.
15 years ago, I left chartered accounting in Australia to pursue a passion in designing and producing leather goods. I've always had an interest in integrating technology with my designs. The GoQi wallet is the first step towards this. Now I need your support to make this happen. My vision is to integrate the GoQi technology into your everyday lives to enable you to be charged at all times. Act now and don't miss out on the wireless revolution.
Hi guys, so today I want to show you how the Vinco wallet can stop RFID theft. Now using a simple credit card reader, I've got my Samsung S5 and I'm going to see if I can skim the card through the Vinco wallet. And as you can see, nothing happens. Now I can take my card out and try that again. And all the details come up on the card. The 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and a list of other details that can be used to defraud you at a later date.